How you doing? I'm George Peraza, Sales Director with Accelerate. You know, one of our most prevalent verticals is by far K through 12. And there's so many good stories that we have of how our software really changed the operations for the better of one of our K through 12 customers. One of them that comes to mind is out of Houston. And what really played large for them was our school bill scheduler. In this case, it's so easy to use and so intuitive that the IT department was able to offload all of the responsibilities of creating, maintaining, editing, deleting, overriding school bells to the principals themselves. So now the principals on a daily basis are able to maintain their own bell schedules, whether they have to change it for an early release day, whether they have to stop bells because they have a celebrity speaking. They're able to take care of all of that maintaining on their own, and the IT department is left to do other things. So in this case, our software, which incidentally was purchased for paging initially, was able to improve the operations at the school by offloading many of that burden from the IT department and place it on the principals, who are the focused personnel for maintaining bells. So this is one of the customer stories that we have. Feel free to check out some of the other customer stories on our website. Thanks.
One solution that unifies it all. Welcome to Accelerate.